Well, then it's your update. Yan na ang Team BYD. And todo ensayo na nga si Alden sa nalalapit na BYD Ironman. 70.3 Davao. For triathlon ni Alden. And good luck kay Alden. March 22 na yan. Saka ito pang event ni Alden for BeautyCon 2026. And sa March 19 yan for Dr. O Skin Lab with Alden. So ito pa yung mga schedule ni Alden.
Sa mga harana sa ating mga lakambini, walang iba kundi si
March
Alden
20 yun.
Richard. O paano ba yan? Kita-kita tayong March 20 and today.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alden Richards. I'm an actor here in the Philippines and first apparently the newest member of the BYD family. Quite convenient, effective, and most of all,
Specialine.
trusted. That's very important for me. Specialine Clear Braces is the right choice because it fits into my lifestyle and delivers results without the hassle. If you're thinking about improving your smile,
And during Bench Active Run Club, swerte pa nga ng mga nakakita kay Alden, yung kagaya ni ate, you know. Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates, easy, feature, reaction, vlogs. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.